dig, right, it certainly is. It's a great opportunity for some of these players. They've done ever so well to be given the opportunity. Now they've got to go and grab it with both hands.
Checks with both of his assistants, and we're off. Couldn't quite control the shot.
That's a decent strike, that's unlucky.
Who's on the end of this? Just looking to get the ball clear. They do carry an aerial threat.
That's an excellent delivery, and that is very close, Clive.
Here's Johnson. Needs to keep possession here. Antonio. Possession has been given up here. Well, that'll stretch them. That's a fine crossfield pass. Rodriguez. managed to block it. Now, what can they do with this corner? To the ball better than that. Chance here. Perfectly timed header, beautifully taken. Well taken goal. He's a danger man when the ball comes in like that. A real threat in the air.
Yeah, he's got power, he's got the accuracy. That's perfect all round.
Didn't he attack that well? He has buried that with his head.
Not a goal that we'll ever get tired of seeing, this one. Underway once more. Scores 1-0. Martinez. Gray. Can he whip one in? Keeper happy to see it go for a goal kick. Looks a good one. Got it clear. Pass back to the keeper. Low. Dixon. Low. Chance to cross. Can they get to it? Made a save, it's still anybody's. Good effort. They just need a good delivery. Pressure growing, another corner. Cleared the danger. So it'll be a throw. It's a chance. Defence survived that as much by luck as judgment. It was pretty desperate stuff, but they smuggled it away eventually. Corner, only a goal in it, big chance. problem for the goalkeeper. Now Reed. Little ball played in. Has a shot. Oh, he hasn't hit the target.
Well, no complaints from many of his teammates there. They know that was a good effort.
Good place to win the ball back. Now, what can they do with it? Dixon. Great vision that, one wing to the other. Johnson. Here's Gray. Antonio. Big chance! Oh, excellent goalkeeping. He'll go for goal! No problem for the keeper. Searching pass, looking to play with real width. Here's Gray. Rodriguez. Martinez. Fana. Chance maybe. Carried by the keeper. Maybe a chance. Can he get to it?
Not made the most of that position. Ball's gone out for a goal kick.
Fana. Moving the ball around well. Fana. Alert defending. They could have been opened up there. Nicholson. The fourth official has the board with how many minutes are to be added. Clear free kick, no arguments about that. May just merit a yellow card too. Plays in the wall of stone at a yard or two here. There's a yellow card on the way here, not retiring at the free kick. Low. Intercepted well, taking the pressure off his defence. Reed. Great defending, that's him all over. Martinez. First half comes to an end with plenty for the managers to mull over and plenty still in the game too. Either side could win this.
Yeah, I think the second half, Clive, could be very interesting. Still plenty left in it for this team.
Now, what we're going to see in this second half, more of the same or something completely different? We shall see. Rhythm about that passing now. Tame cross, no trouble getting that one away. Lovely one-touch stuff. Just shows what I know. I thought this game would be all over by now.
They're two very unevenly matched teams, but you know what? There's not a lot to choose between them at the moment.
Nicholson. Now Reed. Now Dixon.
Martinez. Passing it well here. Has he found someone? The big men can stay forward. Another corner on the way. Gone for goal. Oh, yes! He's put them back on terms. And who'd have thought it? Just when you felt the favourites were taking control, the underdogs hit back.
It's a sensational goal in a very unpredictable game. Now what?
They never really got organised quick enough at the back there.
All square then. It's 1-1.
Nicholson.
Antonio. Confident in possession. Delivers it in. Instant hit.
Yeah, that's another good call from the linesman. He's only just wandered offside, but the flag went up.
And a double substitution there by the manager. away there. The defence was able to get it away. Got his team out of trouble there. They've won another corner. Here comes the substitute. He's had a long talking to from the manager, who's been mapping out his responsibilities to him. On his forehead. Oh, if only he'd kept his head there, they would have been ahead.
It's just lacked the quality required there, Clive, to separate these two teams. I'm afraid we're still level. Anything can happen here.
Martinez. Possession has been given up here. Now Reed. We saw that developing, didn't he? Stopped the attack at source. Coming under pressure. Who's on the end of this? Who was supposed to be on the end of the cross? They can let it go for a goal kick. Nodded on. Big chance. It was a chance missed, but trying to get that out of their minds now. Create another.
I don't think there'll be too many complaints from the bench with that miss, Clive, because they know this guy's capable of scoring. He's already shown us today he can.
Martinez. Antonio gets it back immediately. Could be dangerous. Cross wasn't a good one. Defenders in charge. Martinez. Deep football. Martinez. Is it a good cross? Now Johnson. It couldn't be closer entering these last tantalising moments. It would be so hard on the loser if there were a goal now. Good combination play there. The man on the ball has got plenty of support. It's a free kick. I think the ref's going to speak to him here, may even book him. Well, he does have a yellow card against his name. You can understand the substitution. his foot through that clearance. Well into the last 10 minutes now. There may be some added time. Out of play. Used his head. Reed. Chance maybe. Oh yes! He's put him in front. You never know in football, but I wouldn't be surprised if we've just seen the goal that decides this match.
All them hours on the training ground pay off now, Clive. Keep your shape and see this game out and you've won it.
Let's take another look at that, Andy. The impression that both teams had virtually settled for the draw, but that goal's changed everything. Back off the upright. Just headed on. With some added time, I'm pretty sure of that. We're about to find out how much. Well, 3 minutes. Chance here.
Oh, and that's agony. Look, just gone wide when really should have hit the target.
Martinez. Huge roar greets the final whistle. A real edge out there, always is with this fixture. Any win is a great win when it's over your deadly rivals.
Yeah, that was a really sweet victory. Really good game as well.
Chance here. Goal! Ah, yes! Perfectly timed header, beautifully taken.